welcome to this gorgeous home right here in Scottsdale, Arizona. I'm going to show you what $3.4 million gets you here. There's 5 bedrooms plus a bonus room, an RV gate, a Casita, Tesla charger. I mean, the list could go on and on, but let's go take a tour and let me know in the comments which part of the home is your favorite. Let's go. this home tour. If this home fits what you're looking for, send me a message because I would love to give you a tour. If you're looking for something a little bit different and you're like, Dea, this just isn't it, please contact me because there are so many homes that are for sale and I would be honored to have the opportunity to help you find it. Follow me for more real estate and lifestyle content here in Arizona. Bye.